Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Manami. 皆さんこんにちは。Manami です。Okay, so I think it's been a while since the last time I posted a video. I've been busy and yeah, I've been really busy and my school has been kind of giving me a lot of assignments, including like discussion posts and stuff. So every week I have big assignment and including papers. So I like keep writing something. Like I feel like I have to work on the assignments like comes like every after and never ending kind of. So that's why I've been kind of gone for a little bit. And I also, I think I mentioned that I actually got COVID back in January. And since then, so I was fine even when I got COVID and I was fine. I had like just light, mild symptoms. But I had a weird residual symptoms after that. I got really, how can I say, like weird fatigue comes and goes randomly and I just didn't know what to do with it and I was just so tired at some point and I couldn't do anything and it's just a weird fatigue. So I don't know, it just not like I was fatigued because I was busy. It just I felt fatigued because my body was like kind of reacting something towards, I don't know, my post-COVID or something like that. But it was just weird fatigue that I had. Like I had it like at least a month later. Now I'm okay. It's like almost April and I think I can say I'm completely recovered from that. But it was crazy that I felt weird fatigue even like a little after that, even like a month later. So besides that, I didn't get sick. It was just a COVID, I guess. Then I've been busy and things has been kind of like, I wouldn't say messed up, but I was kind of at some point like kind of weird place. Then crap happened in a row, so I wasn't kind of like motivated to make videos either, and at the same time I was just too busy and I just forgot to record it, and I tried to film so many times but I kept forgetting filming it and recording, so I haven't done it. I will try more once things get settled down. But last week my package got stolen here. I know. I ordered a new pair of scrubs and it says delivered online when I came back. So I had two packages. One is boxed, one is just a package. And one of them was here and the other one is completely gone. I just looked through the apartment and I couldn't find it. And apparently somebody took my package and it was so sad because I was waiting for it for a long time. Not a long time, but I was so excited to get a new pair of scrubs because I haven't got it for a while and it was just literally gone. And these are the scrubs that I got, and this is the one got stolen. I think it's called Navy Night. I think I forgot what it was called. It's a new color and it's cute with a pink strings, and I got the oversized top scrubs this time and I really like it. This type. じゃらん。うまい。Good morning, guys. I am heading to the interval. I just left my highlighter in this pocket. Then I washed it in an accident, and I guess what happened. Does anyone know how I can remove this stain? Like, this is pretty bad. So I'm cutting my strawberries. Ooh. I make a big bowl. Oh, looks nice.